RNAZ stock analysis. This is for tomorrow, Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So Wednesday, Transcode Therapeutics. I don't think it's going to be any different than all the days that we already have upcoming to this day. It's still down, it's still bearish. Even though we went out 9% up, nothing changes the fact that when I begin being bearish here, since then we're like, well, I don't know, like 90-80% down. Yeah, it's 72 cents, but we had like a reverse split, and after that prediction we just kept melting. Separate, like on other separate occasions, I was also short on that, but still a bearish range unless there is a full candle close above like 120 or something. But I'm not a big fan of RNAZ as of right now. Not forever though, but if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce. And also, I have so many other receipts on this in my Discord as well. So that's that. See you in the next one. Goodbye.